Today I am taking a previous year question of JEE from the subject of physics, and topic is collision of objects. Okay, so first I read the question. A ball with a speed of 9 meter per second collides with another identical ball at rest. After the collision, the direction of each ball makes an angle 30 degree with the original direction. The ratio of the velocities of the ball after collision. Okay, so the question is given in description, you can refer it. I make here one proper picture of the question. Now let's see, before the collision, the one ball is there which is traveling at a speed of 9 meter per second is collide with the second ball which is at rest. Okay, and after the collision, both of the ball are making an angle 30 degree with the horizontal, and they are deflected in an inclined direction. Okay, so in this collision type of question, there are two types of concept will be used. The first is momentum. Okay, conservation of momentum equation used, and another is coefficient of restitution. Okay, coefficient of restitution. This two, if you know these two concepts, then you can easily solve this question. Okay, so let us consider initial velocities and final velocity. Okay, so the initial velocity of object 1, ball 1, is 9 meter per second, and initial velocity of second object is 0 meter per second because it is at rest. Let after the collision, body 1 has velocity v1 and that is v2. Okay, understood. Now we have to find the ratio of the velocities. We have to find the ratio of the velocities. Okay, so I am applying conservation of momentum equation. Okay, conservation of momentum equation. Okay, so according to conservation of momentum equation, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Okay, now so I am applying conservation of momentum equation in y direction. Okay, in y direction. So what is momentum initial in y direction? So is nothing but the mass into velocity in y direction for body 1, mass into velocity for body 2 in y direction for body 2, and for this in final momentum for body 1 is nothing but mass into v1. Now let's come here is, now the we taking a momentum in y direction, so the velocity will be taken in y direction. Okay, so the component of velocity in y direction should be v1 sin 30, and for body 2 v2 sin 30. Okay, understood. Now next, so mv1 sin 30 and minus mv2 sin 30. Now here the sign convention is this: the upward velocity will be positive and downward velocity I am taking negative as negative. Okay, now before the collision there are zero velocities in y direction, so this will be this terms will be 0. Okay, now mass into v1 into sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 minus m into v2 into 1 by 2. Now the masses are given in, masses are same. Okay, so the both the mass will be equal. Okay, so body 1 and body mass 1, so this will cancel. So v1 into 1 by 2 is equal to v2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cancel. So the velocities after the collision, v1 by v2, the ratio is equal to 1. Okay, so this is a very basic question of a collision in the subject of physics. Topic is collision. Okay, so in the every question of collision you have to make a two equation of this, conservation of momentum and coefficient of restitution. Okay, So here it is not asking the individual values of v1 velocity v1 and v2. That's why we not apply here the coefficient of restitution. Okay, so by applying conservation of momentum in y direction only we get the answer. Okay, thank you.